how to access the CBA portal. And using your browser of your choice, for example, in this case, I'm going to use Chrome on my computer. You can use or you can access the CBA portal by directly using the link cba.nec.ac.ke, or you can also still get it or access the CBA portal by using the address that is nec-portal.ac.ke. So once the page loads, you can see from my screen, now that is the Kenya National Examination CBA portal interface. You'll see we have a sign in, welcome back, please enter your credentials. So here, each school has been assigned login credentials, that is the username and the password in which they're going to use to log in. Apart from that, there is another module which they have added or they're going to add. You can see we have where a parent or a guardian can check. Let's click, you click on it and then it opens. You see it's coming soon, parent portal. Parents and guardians will be able to track the learner school-based assessment, the SBA, and overall academic progress, but it's still in design. So I'll click back and then I'll click in to sign in. Sign in, I'll put my school username and then put in the password. So I'll check on the boxes, remember me, and also check on the second box and then click to sign in. So the new system has been updated. Once you click to sign in, it will take you to another landing page which will require a two-factor authentication, and you'll be required to enter a 6-digit code that is going to be sent to you either email or authentication app. Now remember, I said for the first time when you are logging in, you'll meet a screen that will require you to input a contact or a phone number of the head of institution in where the two-factor code or the two-factor authentication code or OTP can be retrieved. So once you're able to get the code, your next thing is to input the code. So I'll key in the OTP and click verify the code.